Just say hello.
What's up, the 305 Rider family?
What up, YouTube? You all know Terang, and that's that rider chick over there somewhere. There she is, and the dog. What's up, dog? He's just there. All right. Today we're doing an unboxing and review of the. Well, actually no, just an unboxing and setup. Tomorrow we'll do the review of the new Sena 50S Bluetooth communicator. Looks like. I've been waiting to open this box up all day. Oh, wait a minute, you got my money?
No.
You're not getting this, I got my money.
You don't do this on camera though.
I don't know.
What?
The people should know this. There's a straight up what's up transaction.
I got you a 20.
That's how you do it, kids. He still owes me. Alright, let's do this. No, I don't. Yes, he does.
It's like when you go to a strip club, you earn money slowly. Not everything at once.
Alright, so check it out. It's
Make
a
it
pretty
work
nice
for
little
you.
box. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. Don't laugh at me. Ooh. Check it out. Ooh. Alright, so these are the actual units. And now, that's
actually very nice.
That looks
Case.
really nice. And in here should be the other stuffs. It's got these 3 boxes inside, that's it. Let's see what's in this one. Should be manuals and maybe stickers. No stickers? What the hell? I am very disappointed right now. No stickers. What is wrong, Sena?
He loves stickers.
I do.
I don't.
Alright, box 1, instructions and manuals and all that stuff. Box 2, this is where the fun begins. Let's see. Okay, this is base set 1. Okay, so this is essentially one kit. And I'm guessing this is going to be the other kit. This is a charger. So the charger for the Sena 50S, I don't know how the other Senas work because I never had one. But it's the USB-C. If you don't know what that is, it kind of looks like this. It looks like the current charger for the Apple MacBook. That's what it looks like. We have hard microphone, aux cable. Again, this is the base that just goes on the helmet. And then in here we have, let's see, 3M padding. We got speaker spacers. We have a soft microphone, which is very useful. Another base, and some microphone dead cat phone things. All right, and this box should have exactly the same stuffs. Yep, exactly the same thing. So, after he pays me, I will give him a box and a Sena.
I think he should work for his money.
Bitch, I paid already.
What do you guys think?
Alright. Here you go, son. That's for you. And that's for you. This for me. So let's look at the actual unit. It's got a little antenna thingy, I think. That thing goes up? Yep. Goes up, so you can connect. This wheel turns, obviously, like all the other Senas. And yeah, this is where it clips to the base. See, I like the Sena better than the Cardo. I used to have a Cardo. Actually, let me show you the Cardo. Let me show the world and why I no longer rode the Cardo. So, at one point, I bought a Cardo. I don't know if you've the story here now. At one point I bought a Cardo. This is another box, whatever. And this is it right here. Now the Cardo, this is it right here. This was the Cardo. So this used to hook up to the helmet, and then the Cardo snaps on. Okay, imagine the helmet is here. This is how the unit goes. The Cardo snaps on like this, sideways. Now obviously you see this thing got run over like 25 times because in trying to push the buttons with a gloved hand, I pushed this button and the Cardo fell off. And I found it 3 days later on the side of the road after having been run over probably about 50 times, and it doesn't work. The Sena, on the other hand, well, I'm not going to pull out the base here, you'll see it in a second, but it snaps down into the base, so it's a lot more secure. Alright, let's put these bad boys on some helmets.
So in this video, we're going to show how to put the Sena on 2 different types of helmets. One full face helmet and one 3/4 helmet. And then we're going to show the differences between how to put it on both.
That's right. We're getting beer in the meantime, by the way.
That means we're procrastinating like good college kids.
Alright, kids.
When you slowly slide another.
Ooh, another 20. He still owes me.
Now he has to take off his shirt.
I'm not a stripper, dude. Not yet. Cheers. So, like Terang was saying, we're going to do a full face helmet and a half helmet. Now, I've already stripped everything out of this helmet. This wire that you see here, sticking out, these wires belong to my microphones for my motovlog setup. So, now most helmets will come with, check this out. Most helmets will come with this. I don't know if you can see that really well. Come with a circle here and a channel for wires. That's for you to actually plug the speaker into. Does yours have that? Yeah, I gotta take the padding off. And these should be pretty much the same to do, just the microphone setup's gonna be a little bit different.
Should I take off this one too?
Around the back, yeah, you're gonna run the wires through it.
together.
So first thing is we're gonna wanna put on the base. Oh wait, no, first, like every responsible person, we wanna do the instructions. Here's your instructions. Alright, so now here is our base. This is for the actual unit to come off. You know what I think we need? We need the instructions. Oh wait, is this what I think it is? No, it's not. It's what I think it is. We need an application. Check this out, children.
It goes right onto the side of the helmet.
Yep, I just figured it out. So check it out. It's got 2 screws here. These screws are going to come off. We're going to separate this and screw it back onto the helmet. Alright, so we're going to unscrew these. Not all the way. Let me see how they do this. And see, this comes apart now. So we're going to get it onto the helmet and then we're going to screw that back on. So let's do that now. Well, he's been crying for you.
Really?
He missed you a lot. Yeah.
Like actually, you just
No, that's real. He was just crying. Alright, see, there it goes. Just like that, and now we're going to screw that back on. See, there's got the channel here. That's how it should go. Now we're going to screw this back on, and it's just going to latch on. Now, I want to move it a little bit more this way. Because I have a groove here for the wires. So, how's it coming over there? Actually, I think I'm gonna keep the hard. Microphone on one. If you have a hard helmet, soft microphone ain't gonna work. You're gonna need the hard mic because it has to come in front of your face. Duh. My microphone comes exactly where it needs to come, which is right next to my motovlog mic. So that's gonna be kind of perfect for me. And this is just gonna hide under the padding, so that works out beautiful. Alright, so that's on there. Okay, so we have this on here now. That's the base. The microphone is just gonna bend into place right there. I might put a little Velcro thing on it. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. For now, we'll just leave it there. Now the speakers just go back into those grooves we talked about. And yeah, this stuff's pretty easy. How you doing over there, Trey?
Good, good. Just
Yeah.
making sure the base is secure.
Base is secured? Excellent.
Covering all my bases, you know.
Alright, so check this out. So there's our groove for the speaker, and the speaker comes with little Velcro on the side. Literally, boom, right there. There's our speaker. Wire goes through here. And that's it. Now we're going to tuck this wire in a little more, obviously, but that's it. That is literally it.
This is my first time putting up a Bluetooth in my helmets. Just making sure.
Alright, see, he's got the, point at the circle right there. He's got the circles too, to put the speakers on. Let me touch it real quick. Okay, I think you have an insert in there. Yeah.
Well, I probably have to take it out for the old
Oh,
one.
no, you don't. You have a Velcro in there. Leave that on and just Velcro it to what you got there. Just Velcro it on top of that. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Boom. That's it. Alright, now we bring this one around.
So then I just put the padding back on.
Pretty much, yeah. And tuck in the wires as best you can, and that's it. Now, here I'm about to show you guys something. Now, you can use a credit card. I like to use this little flat knifey thingy. But see, to tuck in all these wires, I try not to get them behind the padding. I actually try to get them behind the EPS foam, so like down here. So I tuck them in as such. And you just work your way around, and you'll never feel or see or care that those wires are there. And it's actually, I find it more secure because that way you can take out your padding and do whatever you need to do, wash it, whatever, without having to worry about the wires coming out. So, just like that. And then you tuck it between the paddings. So do it like that and you won't have a problem later.
I got my Sena put in by the guy at the store, so. Can't relate.
You got the what?
My Sena put in by the guy in the store.
Oh.
Like cycle gear, a lot of them.
Hmm?
But to be a woman, you can do
Right.
And here comes the feminist comments.
it.
I'm keeping my mouth shut today.
Let's just bleep all of those out there.
Just for the record, I didn't say that.
You did say that.
No.
This is Gapper tape, by the way. It's very good tape for whatever, tucking in the last bit of wire. Whatever you need to do with it, it's perfect for it. See, I use it
So if I wanted to kidnap someone,
to kidnap. It's great to kidnap people, yes. But I do
Mhm.
not, on
You
this
know-
channel, we do not condone kidnapping of any kind.
but do you speak about that from experience?
No, I do not condone kidnapping. I may be from a South American country, but I do not condone kidnapping.
Jesus.
So what does happen in your country?
Shh.
We don't talk.
We don't talk about that.
Not on the internet.
We don't talk about fight club.
Yeah, not on the internet. Okay, so now I gotta tuck these in. These are for my microphone. The hell was that?
These wires are still popping out.
That's fine. Mine are too. As long as they tuck right in.
I already have a.
Hmm?
I already have a con.
You already have a what?
A con
A con?
from pros and cons.
Oh, he has a con, ladies and gentlemen. What is the con?
So in my previous Bluetooth,
Uh-huh.
I didn't see any wires at all.
Okay, yeah, me neither. But it happens, man. You learn to live with it.
Or just an amateur install.
Perhaps.
Perhaps, but we're still not going to use the instructions.
Yeah.
It's like a workshop.
You what?
It's like a little workshop with you guys.
We have our own little sweatshop.
I said workshop, not sweatshop.
I said sweatshop.
Can't get this to snap back in.
Yeah, that's the button, right?
No, this part snaps back in. Like right into the thing. The buttons go on the sides.
Alright. when you're done with all that, you put your pets back in. Now, like I said, I have this extra wire out because that's for my microphone setup of the motovlog setup. You know, that's just extra for me.
How many microphones do you have today?
How many what?
Microphones do you have today?
3.
One day.
I have 3 microphones. 'Cause
Whenever I get a new helmet.
one goes to the Bluetooth unit. The other one goes to the camera, from my mouth to the camera. And the other one goes from the speaker to the camera. And that one is so that I can hear what you're saying when we're talking.
That's if I talk to him while I'm running. You know what we need?
What?
Get Lauren into
We need what?
Get Lauren into this.
Yes. Absolutely.
Lauren, where are you?
Damn it, Lauren.
Always late.
Jeez.
Waiting.
What?
What?
What? Oh, I just realized something. I have to use the soft mute.
Uh-huh. Where's that from?
Simpsons.
Thank you. Come again.
That is you, right?
What?
That is you.
Yeah. And my dad did own a convenience store at one point.
Oh, you're such a stereotype.
Whatever makes the dream work.
Yep, gotta get that green.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Completely installed setup on a 3/4 helmet. So over here, what I had to do was I had to put the microphone wire kind of going right on the inside of the visor. You get it open. That's where it's now sitting. And when I'm not using it, I had to find a way to kind of tuck it in somewhere. But I'll figure that out as we go. And as you can see, besides over here, I have every wire hidden within the helmets.
And that's that. I'm done too. Yep. I was first. Here. Yes, he was. He was first, in all fairness. All right, so like I said, I have my extra wire, but there's our extra wire, but everything tucks in beautifully. You don't see any wires, you don't feel the speakers. And now,
You probably need to charge this though.
yeah, but I just want to put it on first. Here's my unit. Now you charge it right here. There's your charger. But the way you put this on, unlike the Cardo, is quite simply like this. Bam, it's on. Right there. Sena 50S. Sena's newest. Release it right here. And that's it. Alright, that's it, y'all. Watch out for the next video. Will be the review of these bad boys. Terang and I are gonna hit the streets and see what happens. That's it, right there.